Another great way to cook bread over an open fire is to steam it. And so I'm gonna take some of this dough and I'm gonna make some sweet pork steamed buns. So I've got this little doohickey right here and it's a steamer tray. I got some shredded pork here. I cooked this slowly for about 8 hours in a bunch of root beer and spices, so it's really sweet. Take a nice big glob of that. All right, we'll just let that steam for about 15 minutes. Ooh. See, it's just like a normal bun in the middle. Oh, all this little pork goodness came out. Oh, that's actually pretty good.